shipped on the 16th.
Okay, put it on the ground.
Airbrush it.
Don't size the bag.
I wouldn't.
Pens!
That's one of my pens.
Pens! Enjoy.
What is this?
It's a gift.
What is it?
It's a Christmas stocking.
Oh, how cute.
It is.
How cute.
Did I accidentally place an order and I don't remember?
Ooh, what's that? Puddle
Puddle
jumper?
jumper packable in confetti multi. This isn't something I ordered.
So they sent you a gift. Read the card.
Give me that. Warm wishes. Jesse, thanks for spreading the Lug love this year. Wishing you a happy holidays and great new year in 2020. Enjoy this little gift, the Lug team.
I know.
They sent me a Christmas present.
They make these.
Now look at that. Look at that.
Times and it's still flying.
Oh
Right?
my
You
god. Yeah.
Look at.
I know. This is more exciting. This is a present.
What are they when I get them for you?
Other presents, but this is from Lug. Christmas tissue paper. Welcome back everyone and Merry Christmas! This is just going to be a little bonus video featuring 2 items that Lug had included, free with purchase if you spent a minimum amount on their site. The first of those 2 items being this stocking. They are currently selling stockings that come in 3 colors on their site, and the one you see here is done in Lug's Cranberry. And just like the pumpkin tote, this is just a fun collector's item. I mean, you're able to say, yes, I have one of those stockings from 2019. It's just fun. If you want, you can use it as a fully functioning stocking. They did give you that option. However, no built-in organizational features, no pen slots, no clear view pockets. I don't know if you were looking for those, but nope, just a cavern. And because these are made with the same material that Lug uses to make their bags, they're going to be easy to clean, easy to store, and maintain their shape. And now we'll take a look at the Eco Shopper. Now this was one by itself and not part of the set of 3. This is also the only Eco Shopper that I currently own, and this is the first time I'm looking at it. Now what I really like is that it has its own proper bottom. It isn't just 2 pieces of fabric that are sewn together and met in the middle. They gave us a bottom to this bag, which they didn't have to do. So it gives the bag a little more depth, and if you're putting anything in your Eco Shopper that has a flat bottom while you're carrying it, it's going to help those things stay upright. And if you think about it, it's almost like a packable gondola minus the zipper. The Eco Shopper is very similar in size to a set of reusable bags that I already have. I've been using this other set for a couple of years now, and while there's nothing wrong with it, there are a few differences that are allowing me to appreciate the Eco Shopper now that I've got it in my hands. Right away I can tell that the Eco Shopper has more substance to it. I also like that the handles are on the front and back of the bag rather than the sides, which makes carrying much easier. So while the Eco Shopper is lightweight, it does have some good substance to it, and it does appear to be completely opaque. Wrapping this bag back up into its little pouch can also be a little tricky if you don't have a third hand. Now I will attempt to do the same with the Eco Shopper, which I've never done before, but I can see that you need to leave this out because this has the snap closure on it. And if you're watching this like, no, you're doing it wrong, that's wrong, look, I get it, I'm probably doing it wrong. If you can do it better, that's great, but if what your result is looks like mine, trust me, it's still gonna fit in every bag, so we still win. So that's going to wrap up this video, but before we go, I'll give you a shot of what the stockings look like hung on the fireplace. So Merry Christmas, Lug Nuts! I hope everybody had a great Christmas. Stay tuned for more to come, and I will see you guys next time.